How to delete Uzum Market account. First of all, open the app on your device. Next, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner to open the account menu. Here you will see several settings. Since there is no delete button in the app, you will need to contact Uzum Market support to request permanent account deletion. Tap on the help or support section in the app, then select contact us or customer support. Send the request to the support team including your registered mobile number or email so they can verify your account. The team will guide you through the deletion process and confirm once your account has been permanently removed. Keep in mind that deleting your account will remove all your personal data, rewards and order history, so make sure to save any important information before proceeding. Now you know how to delete your Uzum Market account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.